I'm showing you how to take one outfit from day to night. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Rima's Fashion Fitness Tips and Tricks. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Rima's Fashion Fitness Tips and Tricks. So if you don't have time to change during the day, you got to go to work, you're out with some friends, whatever, then you gotta run straight to your next event. I'm gonna give you some tippers on how you can go straight from one event to the next and dress for the occasion. Starting with your office look. Okay, if you're having some trouble getting ready for your office look, I have an idea for you. Here I have my short kurti that I actually changed from being a very long one and I shortened it. I put on a cute little work blazer. It's actually a knit blazer paired with flat sneakers. I've kept all the jewelry minimal, just have some earrings on. And you can't forget your chick purse. And it's got to be big enough to carry everything that you need for work. And now let's take it to our next lunchtime look. I have actually repurposed an old kurti of mine and I've cut it and made it shorter. I've just raised the border up. So I have some chunky heels on, which gives it that chic look. I completed the look with a leather jacket. I have silver bracelets, a watch. I've accessorized my ears with oxidized silver earrings. Oxidized silver is my favorite. And I have a silver necklace with an amethyst pendant. Alright, here's the next look with my pantsuit. And this overcoat is actually a dupatta style overcoat. So it's a Georgette sequence dupatta. And it's got lace work all over the edges and it has a little bit of a tail. It also has beaded lace work around the sleeves and this is more a short sleeve look. So because it has a tail, I decided to pair it with stiletto heels. I'm all about the pinky rings these days, so here it is. I had that with my other look as well. One thing I love doing with all my outfits is I love to always wear a watch so I can tell the time. And I decided to wear American diamond Swarovski crystal jewelry with this outfit to match the silver embroidery. So here's the necklace and here's the earrings. They're a small little dangle. They're very light and they don't hurt your ears. Alright guys, here's the final option for the nighttime look. I decided to keep the distressed jeans and take a pink dupatta and tie it like a sari. So it creates like that edgy, more dressy look. I completed the look with silver jewelry with a little bit of pink embellishments, with silver heels and silver bracelets on one hand, and on the other one a Pandora silver bracelet with some pink jewels as well. I have a silver necklace and earrings and it has some pink to match the pink kurti. I have hot pink lipstick to match my kurti and a pink bindi, a slightly oversized bindi because it really stands out, it's very cute. But it's probably an outfit that you would wear to a more informal night event, something like a birthday party or whatever. But if you wanted to wear it to a wedding, I probably wouldn't go with the distressed jeans. Maybe you could wear it with maybe velvet pants or some sort of dhoti pants. I hope you guys liked it. So if you loved this look, please like and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon so that you get all the notifications of when I upload all my new videos. And we're going to have a journey together as long as you're subscribed and you can learn some fashion tips and tricks or some new ideas.